mommy.
Hey. Oh, I missed you. I missed you, big girl. Hey. Here's some sugars. Is it good?
Who is that?
Who is that?
Baby Tegan.
Is that baby Tegan? That's your little sister. What do you think of that?
Look, Daddy.
I told you on the way here and you said you were excited.
Who is that?
Baby Tegan.
Yeah. Take a look at her. Come here.
Okay. Go in there. Go
Come
in there.
here.
Hey,
What do you think of her? She's little, isn't she? Look how little. Are you going to play with her?
Yeah.
Are you going to hug her and kiss her? Yeah.
who is that baby girl?
It's baby.
Oh, look how her little, look at her hair. It's dark, isn't it?
Feel her hair.
Can you feel her hair? How soft it is. Oh, it's so soft, isn't it? It's pretty, isn't it? You want to, your mommy's going to get her out. You can see how little she is. Get her out here, baby. Oh.
Hold her.
Oh, we can. Come here.
Hold her.
Okay.
Hold her.
Okay. Hold out your arms. Hold out your arms.
Hold it.
Hold out your arms.
Hold this.
All right.
Hold her.
Oh. I'll help you, okay? Stand right here and I'll help you. Look at Papa Randy and say cheese. Here, help.